Welcome back to the channel. I'm Richard, your virtual classroom coach, and this is the place to get the best tips, tricks and advice so you can start out your virtual classrooms and webinars with class. And it's also the place where your expertise and experiences are most welcome. So please do share your best practices in the comments below or in the community section further along. Now in this video we're going to look at how to effectively and efficiently pre-board your learners before they're even your learners. Before we begin, if you like any of the content in this video, please consider pressing the like button below, as it really helps to support the channel. So, your virtual class is attracting lots of enrollees, then that's great, but it could be a week, two, a month or more before the class even goes live. So for me, it's very important to pre-board these learners by keeping in touch with them prior to the virtual session. Let's jump right in and take a look at why we do this. Number one, it's a genuine pre-welcome. Just like any customer who signed up for a product or a service, it's only courteous to thank them and welcome them to your community. Yes, they may have signed up, but they haven't yet attended. Something better could come along. Don't see your learners as your customers? Why not? Number two, it sets a great first impression that encourages the right perceptions of professionalism, integrity, respect and trust. They'll feel smart that they made the right choice booking for your virtual classroom. Number three, it piques their interest and it really keeps them warm. You want to excite them and create a bit of intrigue so that they're curious when they eventually join the session. Number four, a chance to set expectations. Yeah, so this gives you a chance, even ahead of the domestic slides you might run through, to actually sow those seeds in advance. So it helps to galvanise any classroom rules that you might introduce even before they get to the classroom. Number five, it nudges the enrollee to consider their learning environment, even their tech and how prepared they are to learn. It gives them a chance to contact their IT help desk to ensure they'll be able to download the necessary software and actually connect. Number six, it can be used to set some pre-work. Then this can even be something really light, just to get them to adopt the right mindset, coming ready to participate and to contribute. Or pre-work could be something more substantial, and by doing that it means you can really move the learning on during the virtual classroom to maybe another level. And number seven, yes, pre-board your customers in the right way and you'll blow them away with your service and your professionalism. And when your customers are happy, who do they tell? Yes, other potential customers or more attendees for you. So there you are, that's my lucky 7 reasons covering why it's beneficial to pre-board your learners. But how do you actually do it? Well, for me, it's broken down into 3 main stages of communication. Stage 1, inform. This is the immediate booking response. This is my thank you for booking and we look forward to welcoming your email. And it would have a date, a time, and that all important link as well. And it would also contain my contact details should they need support, have issues or have certain requirements. And this is also where you'd include any pre-work, you present it to them right here, because you want to give your participants as much time as possible to prepare. Stage 2, inspire. And this is to keep them warm. At this stage, you want to inspire your learners by positively encouraging them to prepare for attendance. So you might go through some practical advice, such as how to get the best out of a virtual classroom and how to choose the right environment in which to learn. And that link I previously mentioned, would we include that again? Yes, I'll send that again as well. Stage 3, intrigue. This is the no going back phase, the intrigue stage that might happen the day before the event or even on the same day, dependent on timings, of course. After all, this is a pivotal moment. A detached employee could decide not to attend because they're too busy or too fed up or not feeling valued. So this is about creating a bit of intrigue or excitement, providing a teaser, or even throwing in a bit of NLP embedded commands to really get their minds moving in the right direction. So that's it. Inform, inspire, intrigue. Follow this process and you're sure to hook your enrollees and, most importantly, set them up for virtual classroom success. And to help you further, have a look in the comments section below. I've put some links to some template emails that you could use for your own learners pre-boarding. Please feel free to download them and completely make them your own. So I really hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to share your own experiences and advice in the comments below. And if you've liked this video, please do press the subscribe, like and bell buttons. It really helps to support the channel. But until then, as always, thank you so much for watching.